In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix the error code 0x800700AA. The requested resource is in use on Windows 11. So let's get started. You need to go to the Windows search bar and simply type security. Click on Windows Security under the best match, and then you just need to simply go to virus and threat protection and turn off the real-time protection. Do this temporarily. Turn off the real-time protection and then get your job done. And once you get your job done, just simply enable again the real-time protection. The next method, you can also perform a disk cleanup. So go to the Windows search bar and type disk cleanup. Click on it under the best match. Click on OK for the Windows C drive. Then here you just need to simply select all of these options one by one for the files that you need to delete. Okay, so once done, click on OK and click on delete files. Wait for the process to be done. So once that is done, we can also perform an SFC scan. So go to the Windows search bar and type CMD. Click on Run as Administrator. Now simply type SFC space / scan now. SFC space / scan now and hit enter. The system scan will begin, so you just need to wait for the process to be 100% completed. Again, wait for the process to be 100% completed. And once that is completed, just simply type exit and then restart your Windows once. We can also make sure that our Windows is updated. So click on the start button and go to settings. Then we have to click on Windows Update on the left pane and simply click the button to check for updates. Okay, simply click this button right here to update your Windows and to download and install the latest updates. Now, if all else fails, you can also perform a system restore. Go to the Windows search bar and type RSTRUI. Click on it under the best match. You can click on choose a different restore point and click on next and simply choose the date as to where you are not facing the error with. Again, choose the date as to where you are not facing the error and simply click on next and click on finish and wait for the process to be done. So that's it, and I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching the video.